notified everyone's dress, costume, everything. Very good, very good. Clean notice. Children, all stand up for prayer. Farheen, come on, stand up. Let's say this. Saimya, get up, get up. We're praying the God, no? That time you should respect the God. Yes, right? Stand up. Hey, naughty. I'll come one day. Wait. Fine. All close your eyes. Say the prayer. Yes. Join your hands. Say along with me, children. Okay? Yes. Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath the flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Good morning, children. Open your eyes. Sit down. Good morning. Yes. Are you ready for the Arabic, children? Yes. Are you ready? Come on, come on. Get ready. Stand up, all. Give one jump. Very good, very good, very good. Excellent. All has done a good job. All have done a good job, children.
Ma'am, she
Got
is doing
tired?
yoga now.
Hello?
Ma'am, she is doing yoga.
Farheen, but your figure is freezed. Can you cut your video and reach mute, then able to enable?
For me, ma'am?
Yes, for him.
Okay, okay.
Oh, it's freeze. That's why we can't focus.
Oh, okay.
Okay, fine, children. Farhin is doing yoga. You know that? You know yoga, children? Do you know yoga? Don't know? What we are doing is also a yoga, a type of yoga only. Okay, a type of exercise. Aerobic is also exercise. Okay, right. Fine, children. Very good, very good. So, yesterday ma'am hasn't come, right? Ma'am hasn't come to the class, right? Did you see me yesterday, children? No. Right. Today I have come. Okay, fine. What's the ma'am, which yesterday ma'am taught you, children? What is the thing ma'am taught you yesterday? Can you remember? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7 and all she taught you. Okay, I'll teach you. Okay, I'll teach you till 25 numbers. Okay, till 25. Shall we say yes? Come on.
Listen.
Children, can you say the numbers? Can you see these numbers? Say what is the first number? 1. 1, 2. No, from the beginning you have to say 1, 2. Say along with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 and 0, 1, 0, 10. What number is this? 10. 1, 0, 10. Okay, 1, 0 is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, I'm going to teach you the numbers. What is it? 1, 1, 11. Say, children. Say along with me. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Yes. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. Yes. 1 and 4, 14. 1 and 5, 15. 1 and, yes. 1 and 5, 15. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 6, 16. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 7, 17. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 8, 18. 1 and 9, 19. 1 and 9, 19. Here, what number is this? In the pink color circle, 2, 0. Very good, Madhu. 2, 0, 20. 2, 0, 20. So, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And then, see, 2, 1. There you stop to 2, 0, 20, right, children? Next, we'll start with 2. Number 2. 2, 1, 21. What's the first number? Children say, what's the first number? 21. 2, 1, 21.
Yes.
2, 2, 22. Say 2, 2, 22. 2 and 3, 23. 2 and 3, 23. 2 and 4, 24. 2 and 4, 24. 2 and 5, 25. 2 and 5, 25. 2 and 6, 26. 2 and 6, 26. 2 and 7, 27. 2 and 7, 27. 2 and 8, 28. 2 and 8, 28. 2 and 9, 29. 2 and 9, 29. 3, 0, 30. What's the first number? 3. 3 and 0, 30. 30. Okay, right, children? Fine. Now we are going to identify the numbers. What number is this? 1. Very good. What is this? 2. See all of you. Only one sound I can hear. What is this? 3. What is it? 4. Very good. What is this? 5. What is it? 6. What is this? 6. What is this? 7. 7. And what number is this? 8. Children, you know how to write 8? You have to. Yes. Yes. You have to start from the up. So, draw like this and come sideways. Then come down. Make a circle and go up. And then upside make a circle. This is number 8. See, like this. 8. What number is this? 8. See, start from the up. Yeah, like a C-like shape you have to draw. Then extend that line, come down, make a circle and then go up to complete the circle. 8. Number 8. Okay, children? Now you got right? See, first draw C like a shape and come down slowly, turn, make a circle and go up and complete the circle. Right, okay? 8. What number is this? 8. Can you write and show me how to write 8? Children, are you ready to write 8? 8. Okay? Fine. Come on, all take your slate. All take your slate and write number 8. 8. Okay, children? Fine. So this is number 8. Shall we count 8 objects? Yes? Yeah, come on. What are these? Children, what are these? Can you say what are these? Hello? Why no one is opening your mouth? Say what are these?
Louder.
Stars. Yes. Can you count how many stars are there, Sai Mira? 1, 2, 3. Don't skip the numbers. Start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 after what will come, children? 7 after what will come?
7. Next to 7, what number?
Next to 7, what is the number? Next to 7? Yes, it is 8. If we add one more star here, you will get 8. This is 7 only, right? Yeah. Now, add one more star. Shall we count now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is this? How many stars are there? 8 stars. How many stars are there? 8 stars. Can you count again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 stars. Fine. How many circles are there?
Come on. 1, 2. Kai vich count pannu.
1, 2. No. Stop. Start from the beginning. Slowly keep your finger on the picture and then count. 1, 2, 3,
4,
us, 5, 6,
6.
7.
How
7
many
after
7?
what will come, children?
Ah.
7 after what will come? Say. I taught you. 7 after what will come?
7 next என்ன number வரும்? 8.
8. Yes. Now you count how many circles are there? 1,
Count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Yes, there are 8 circles. Shall we count how many circles are there? Start counting. 1. Children all are listening, right? 1,
करो.
2, yes, 3. Say along with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Children, you should count one by one. Slowly, you should keep your finger on, touch the figure, touch the object, and then count slowly. 1, 2. See, ma'am, how ma'am is counting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many objects are there? 8 objects are there, right? 8 objects are there. Shall we write now? Shall we write now how to write 8? Yes? Come on, take your slate. Write and show me how to write 8. 8. Yes, Madhu, finish. I'm not able to see you. See how to write. Start from the up. You should draw a C-like shape. And then turn this side C-like shape. And then go up. This is number 8. Slowly write C-like shape. And then opposite side C-like shape. And then go up and join that. 8. What number is this? 8. Say what number is this, children? 8. Very good, Saimira. So 8 very easily you got it. Usually it will be very tough to write 8. Children, you are very superb children. Highly great. All are great. Wow, Sai Shivan, you are perfect 8. Excellent.
மதுவந்தி மேம்
மது அம்மா மேல மேல கொஞ்சம் காட்டுங்க தெரியல. வாவ் சூப்பர் மது. வெரி குட் வெரி குட் மது. பக்கா பக்கா 8.
தேங்க் யூ சொல்லுங்க.
Children, can you get me some objects? 8 number objects. 8 objects. Yes. Some spoon, pencil, eraser, something.
Ma'am, can you one more time write and show him 8?
Yes, yes, sure. Jason, see here, Jason. Jason, ma'am, see. First, draw like a C. Okay? This is what, Jason? Jason, what is this? C, yes. And the same way, come to backside C. Inverse C, like that.
நான் சொன்ன
And then just go up.
மாதிரி
Go up and join.
இங்க பாருங்க சி மாதிரி போட்டு இன்னொரு சி மாதிரி போட்டு ஜாயின். ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே
Jason, ma'am, you just hold his hand and practice.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, for them it is a little bit tough only.
Yeah, sure.
ஓகேங்க.
Jason, dear, come on. Amma will hold your finger. Yes. Adan, are you writing, dear? Farheen?
இப்போ சுத்தமா
Yeah, very good, Farheen. Super.
மாதிரி போட்டு
8. What number is this, Farheen?
சூப்பர்.
Farheen, say what number is this?
நான் சொல்றது பாரு இங்க பாரு.
Yes, 8.
இங்க பாரு.
Farheen, go and collect 8 objects. See, Saimira has collected. Saimira, count and show me one by one.
அது எழுதிதான்.
Slowly you must count, Saimira. First show me 1. Give to mummy. 2, 3, 4. Only 4? 5, 6, 8, 7. What number is that?
7. What is that?
Yes.
8.
8. How many sticks are there? 8. Very good, very good. Shivanya, you got pick objects? 8 objects?
8 crayons chalo.
Yes, show me. Come on, count and show me 8 crayons. Like Saimira, how she has counted. Yes, 1. Say louder.
5, 6, 7, 8.
That's it. Stop. Stop. 8. That's it. That's it. Very good, very good, very good.
No, it's
Madhu? Madhu? You don't have 8 objects? Madhu, don't you have objects? Farheen? What about you, Farheen? Yes, Farheen. Yes. Come on, count. Say louder. Louder. All are watching you. Say louder.
Louder. 1.
2,
Adan? Adan writing, Adan?
Ma'am, late for
8 Kana, 8 objects. Bring 8 objects. Did you notice others are showing 8 color pencil, 8 crayons or something? Farheen finished? I'm not able to hear you, Farheen. Yes, 1. 2. Count louder. Unmute your mic. Farheen, unmute your mic. Yes.
3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is 8? 8. Very good, Farheen. Good job, good job. Yes, Madhu, Adan, you got it?
Okay, ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7th one you didn't put. 8. Very good, very good, very good. Nice. Nice, Madhuvanti. Jason finished, Kana? You get practice?
He wrote now. He rubbed off and writing A now.
He's writing on his own?
He wrote 8, ma'am. But he's having that in his slate. It's rubbed off.
Okay. Okay.
Write once 8 and show me.
Yes, show me, Jason. Jason, show me. Jason? Wow, very good, dear. This is enough. This is enough. This is the first time you are writing on your own. Very good, 8. First attempt is very excellent. Very good, very good. Very nice, Jason, mummy. Very good effort, Jason. Good job. Jason, pat on your back. Jason, pat on your back.
He's not doing that, ma'am. I don't know why. He says he doesn't want to pat on back. It seems. And
Jason, appreciate yourself, Jason. You applaud yourself. Very. Okay. Fine. Adan, are you writing, dear? Okay, children. Shall we go for the rhyme session? Yes? Shall we sing the rhymes? Shall we sing the rhymes, children? Yes, are you ready? What are the songs I taught you? Shall we sing orange song? Children, are you ready to sing along with me? Orange is the color of so many things we see. Would you like to sing a little orange song with me? Orange is the color of so many things we see. Would you like to sing a little orange song with me? Orange juice and orange cheese, orange carrot, if you please. Orange pumpkins, orange leaves. Let's sing a song of orange. Children, sing along with me. Orange is the color of so many things we see. Would you like to sing a little orange song with me? Orange juice and orange cheese, orange carrots, if you please. Orange pumpkins, orange leaves. Let's sing a song of orange. Wow, Shivanya, you have orange object? Orange
Yes.
teddy? What is
Orange.
that? Show me. Orange teddy. Children, you have many colors of teddies, right? My
Ma'am,
God.
we taught orange for you only for you taught orange color for sure.
But when I taught orange color, she wants to buy a orange teddy.
They
My
will
God.
to kids in school.
Oh, okay.
For you, whether you will be there.
Uh,
Uma ma'am was there.
oh,
She said
yesterday you went there,
teacher
right?
ma'am is not here. And
Uh, Chella, I'm in my house. I'm not in school like you only. Me also sitting my house and teaching you the lessons. Okay, taking class for you. Okay, right? Shivanya, you disappointed?
ma'am
Yesterday you
இல்லைன்னு
said.
அங்க ஆயிட்டீங்களா?
Okay, fine. Shall we go next to song, children? Yeah? See, hummingbird song. Sing along with me. Once I saw a hummingbird, hop, hop, hop. So I cried, so hummingbird, stop, stop, stop. The hummingbird went fly, 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 fly. I waved to the hummingbird, bye, bye, bye. Once I saw a hummingbird, hop, hop, hop. So I cried, hummingbird, stop, stop, stop. The hummingbird went fly, 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 fly. I waved to the hummingbird, bye, bye, bye. Okay? Yes, very good. Now clap your hands. Are you ready? Are you ready to sing along with me? First, all stand up. All stand up. All stand up, children. Yes. Ma'am will say some actions you have to do. Okay? All close your eyes. Close. Close your eyes. Open. Farheen? Saimira, enable your video, Saimira. Close. Close your eyes, Saimira. Open. Hands up. Down. Up. Down. Sit. All sit. Sit. Stand. Jump 3 times. 3 jump. 1. Count and jump. Don't jump simply. No, you're not supposed to jump simply. You have to count. Very good, Madhu. Madhu, enough. Only 3 jump. 3 jump. Clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Snap 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, all snap your fingers 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, go around the room. Go run around the room. All run around the room. Come on, fast. Take one round. Saimira, wake up. Get up. Run around the room. Yeah. Go fast. Very good. Enough. Stop. I said only one round, right? Now hop and jump. To one end to another end. From one end to another end, hop and go. From one end to another end. Yes. No, Madhuvanti, you are running simply. Hop. How to hop? Like this. 1, 2, like this. Ayo, Farheen, you fell down, Farheen. Slowly, slowly. Okay, stop. All come back. Come back. Now sing. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Listen to the music and clap your hands. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Listen to the music and stamp your feet. Turn around. Turn around. Listen to the music and turn around. Jump up high. Jump up high. Listen to the music and jump up high. Snap your fingers. Snap your fingers. Listen to the music and snap your fingers. Blink your eyes. Blink your eyes. Listen to the music and blink your eyes. Very good, Farheen. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Nice. Now all come and sit. All come and sit. I'll teach you alphabet song. Okay? I'll teach you the alphabet song. What is the alphabet song of J? I'll show you letter J. Okay?
சாக்கு செந்திரி சாக்கு எங்க ஒரு சாக்க கூட பின்னாடி எங்க சாக்கு போயிட்ட ஏன் போட்டுறாங்க மேம் கிட்ட ஏதா
Okay, fine. Oh, please not there. Huh? Fine, children. Children, yesterday you might be learned to letter K, right? What letter is this? Children, what letter is this? One standing line, two slanting lines. Help me write my letter K. It comes in key and kick and king, and even in karate. Yes? Children, what letter is this? Say, one standing line, two slanting lines. Help me write my letter K. It comes in key and kick and king, and even in karate. Yes, right, children. What letter is this? Say, Madhuvanti, say what letter is this? One standing line, two slanting lines makes the letter K. What letter is this, children? Say, Madhu. Yes, letter K. Jason, say one standing line, two slanting lines makes the letter K. One standing line, two slanting lines. Help me write my letter K. It comes in key and kick and king, and even in karate. Yes, letter K. What is this, children?
What is this?
What animal is this? Kangaroo. Yes. K for kangaroo. What is the sound of K? K. K. Say K. What is the sound of K? K. Sound of K is K. 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 Kangaroo. K for kangaroo. K. Kangaroo. K. Kangaroo. Yes. What is this, children? Wow, lovely. How lovely it's sitting in the wood house. Yes, of course, cola. Cola start with letter K. Cola start with the letter of K. K for cola. K, K, cola. K, K, cola. K for cola. And what is this?
Fisher.
What picture is this? Kingfish. Yes, of course. Kingfisher. What is it? No, this is not parrot. See its beak. See its beak, children. It's a very sharp, narrow beak, right? Long beak. Parrots won't have like beak like this, right? Yes, parrot have a bend like beak, like this beak, bend. This is very sharp and long nose. right? Long beak. So this is kingfisher. What is this? Kingfisher. This bird will used to wait in the water and catch the fishes. So it's known as a kingfisher. Okay, kingfisher. K for kingfisher. Kingfisher. And what is it? What object is this? Key. K for key. Key. K for key. Key. What is this?
Kettle.
Kettle. Kettle. We can keep hot tea in the kettle, right? Kettle. Kettle. K for kettle. And what is this? Who's he?
King.
King. King. K for king. King. K for king. King. Yes. What's this boy doing?
Karate.
Karate. K for karate. K for karate. Yes. So these are the things we saw today. K for karate. Karate. K for king. King. K for king. King. K for kettle. Kettle. K for kettle. Kettle. K for key. Key. Yes. K for kingfisher. Kingfisher. K for kingfisher. K for cola. Cola. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. So what letter is this? K. Children, you know how to write K? First you have to draw a standing line. Okay, draw one standing line and two sleeping lines. Make a K. Come on, draw one standing line like this. See, draw one standing line and two slanting lines. Yes, this is K. You have to write like this, K. One standing line from here to one slanting line, from there to another one slanting line. Letter K. Yes, one standing line. From the middle, one slanting line. One and the opposite side, another one slanting line. Letter K. What is it? Letter K. From the middle, one slanting line, and from the middle, another one slanting line. K. Letter K. This is letter K. You know how to write now, children? One standing line, and from the middle of the standing line, one slanting line, two slanting lines. So one standing line and two slanting lines. Help me to write letter K. Yes, it comes in key and kick and king, and even in karate. Yes, this is letter K. You got this right? Yeah. Write and show me letter K. Say all right first in the air. Very good, Shivanya. Very good. Good. What letter is this, Shivanya? Yes, K. Very good, Jason. Super, da. Jason, very good job. Madhuvanti, super. What about Sai Mira, Ad and Farheen? Children, can you show me an object of K? Wow, super. Nice. Sai Mira, good job. What letter is that? K. Very good. K. What letter is that? K. Farheen, Hadan. Show me an object start with K. You have clip, right? Key. Shivanya, good. What is that? Shivanya, say what is that? Key. What for key?
கீ வச்சு என்ன பண்ணுவோம்?
சாய்க்குட்டு
எதுக்கு சாவி கொடுக்கணும்?
ஏன்னா
கேட்ட
Something is locked, we use key to open, right?
okay.
Yes. What letter for key?
ஃபேன் ஆஃப் பண்ணோம்
key.
Shivanya, what letter for key?
நீ சொல்லு.
What's up? She ran away. Okay. Jason, can you show me something which start with letter K? Saimira? Saimira, what is that?
Sure.
This is abacus, right? I asked you to start letter with K object.
Yeah, I can.
Madhu, show me something. Adan. Farheen.
My daddy's name is Taki.
What is your daddy's name?
She is telling K for king. My daddy is a king.
Your daddy is king always. Okay, very great. So mother is queen, right? Mummy is queen.
Who is mummy? Who is
Mummy
a
is queen.
princess? Who is a princess? See.
You're the princess and your brother is a prince. So you're ruling your house, right? Oh, very good, Shivanya. See, Shivanya is showing kangaroo. Is that kangaroo? Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Show me properly. Shivanya, show me properly. Wow, children, look at this. Shivanya showing kangaroo. She has kangaroo doll. Wow, very good, very good. But it looks like bunny, right? Shivanya, mummy? It's kangaroo only.
Yes, ma'am. Kangaroo only.
Okay.
What in Australia, especially.
Oh, okay, right.
Magic ல வர.
What is that? K for? Jason, say what is the picture? K for what? Kite. Very good, kite. K for kite. And what about others? Farheen, show me something. Madhuvanti. What is K for? No, you don't have anything? Okay, no problem. No. Yes. Again, what is that? Say keyboard. Say K for keyboard. Very cute. Very good. Children, look at their keyboard. Farheen, mummy not seeing properly. Yes. Yeah. Now it is good. See, children, K for keyboard. All look at there. Look at Farheen's picture. K for keyboard. Very nice. Very nice. So you got it now, children. Children, I'll give you one activity. Okay. I hope you are all having this clay, right? Play clay. Am I right? Do you have clay with you, children? Color clay? Yes. For you, this is the activity for clay. Okay? With the clay. You don't have kangaroo? No problem. You have clay?
Do you have clay?
Do you have clay? Yes, playing clay will be there, no? So you are going to make a strawberry fruit. Okay? Take red color for bottom fruit and mold the clay with the shape of strawberry and take green color and make it as a flatten and draw that crown will come, no, for a strawberry. Draw like that shape and cut it and stick it over the strawberry and take fork, make pierce in the strawberry like a small tiny dots. Okay, will you do that?
Yes, ma'am. Chalo.
Yes. Today's activity. Tomorrow I want to see. Everyone must show. Okay. Yes, got it. Yeah.
Yes.
Very good, very good, very good. Nice children. Nice to meet you all again. Fine. Tomorrow I'll meet you again, children. Okay. Children didn't say what day is today. Yes, it's Thursday. What day is today? Thursday. Thursday. Date is 15, 10, 2020. 15, 10, 2020. Day is Thursday. What day will be on tomorrow? What day is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Friday. Okay. So Friday, all must show me all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of you must show a strawberry fruit. Make a strawberry fruit with your color clay. Take red color as the bottom. Mold it as a strawberry shape. And with green color, you draw a shape first and cut it and stick it over the strawberry's head like a crown. And then take fork and give pierce in the strawberry, on the strawberry. Okay? It will be looks like a pakka strawberry fruit. Okay? Yes, I hope you will make it. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye-bye. I'll meet you tomorrow again.
Yeah. Bye bye.